Hello there, my name's Kyle. I am taking a class at MJC called Electronics 208. I am enjoying the class and I am going to try and show you today how to hook up a circuit that controls a motor and a light emitting diode. Some of the tools that you will need are a needle nose pliers, wire strippers, jumper wires. You can get several different kinds. I've got the ones with clamps on, and then also little ones that have the crimped part on that have a hard stem to push into a breadboard. Those are basically tools you need. The items you're going to need is obviously your basic breadboard, a 9-volt battery. You're going to need a integrated circuit, that little guy right there. Going to need a push button switch, a little motor. I've got a little cell phone DC vibrator. It's basically what's in your phone that vibrates when you have it on vibrate. Obviously your LED light, and then this little guy, if I can get him. Come here. I make these parts so small. A tiny little resistor. So basically, with all those tools, you can put together your project. So here's my little schematic that I drew up for my breadboard. You've got your battery, and your IC circuit, integrated circuit, your push button, and then you got your resistor, which goes to your LED, and then also your motor. So I'll show you. I went ahead and set it all up so that way you don't have to watch me set up all of it, but I did leave a couple things out, so I'll show you how it's done. So here's my little breadboard. Got my battery, and then here's my integrated circuit. Put it right there. Then I go have my power and negative coming in. I hook it up to my power strip over here, that way I can get power to hook up to my rest of the stuff. Here's my switch, my push button switch, so I got power from the power strip over to my push switch, and then you can see right here is my resistor for my LED. Put in right there. So then here's my resistor. I used a 470 ohm resistor. I didn't have anything smaller, but I'll show you why I went with that one in a little bit once I get it finished up. And then my motor. Now I used little clamps to hook my motor up because I couldn't get a wire to hook up to it. Come on. Sometimes you gotta just have patience with these little guys, even though you try and get it done quick. They teach you patience. So there's my motor. Now I have everything hooked up, and I can push this little push button here, and you'll see the LED light up and the motor vibrate. Now I said the reason why I went with a 470 ohm resistor is because I also did some testing, and I brought in a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and you'll see a difference. Watch the LED. It's not as bright. So that's the reason why I went with a 470 ohm resistor, so that way you could see a lot brighter light and you'd be able to see it better. Like I said before, I've enjoyed this class, basically teaching me how to set up a circuit off of a diagram and learning the basic of electronics. Thank you for watching my post, and have a great day.